Good afternoon. It is March the 30th, 1:10 p.m. in the afternoon here in Hermitage, Tennessee. This is a status update concerning the closing of G Plus and the moving of the user-to-user live community from a G Plus community to a Discord server. As you know, it was announced back in October G Plus would be closing. That day is April the 2nd, not too far off. Michael Daniels found the Discord, set one up for us, and things have progressed from there. At the beginning of January, we had 70 members in the Google Plus user-to-user community. Once we set this Discord up and announced it, people started coming over. We ceased adding new content to the Google Plus community back middle of March. In that time, we have had, as I said, there were 70 members the beginning of January. In that time, since we've opened the Discord, 37 of those members have joined us here on Discord. 34 so far have not. But in addition to that, we have had a great many new members join. The Discord has now a total of 88 members. That means that 54 new people have joined the Discord since it opened that were not previous members of the user-to-user community. It shows the word is getting out. I'm going to do a screen share in case you haven't come over to the Discord yet. There is a link below in the video description that links to it. Come over, join us. We do ask for a first name, a last name, and a little bit of bio information so we can get to know you better and you can get to know us better. Basically, we're a tech help chat community. We do socialize quite a bit. We've been together 5 years now, a bunch of us, so we know each other fairly well. But we're there anytime. I have a Zoom open mic thing Monday through Friday in the morning, 10 to whenever Eastern time. Usually they're at least an hour or more. Also on Monday and Tuesday nights, I have one that starts at 9 p.m. Eastern and goes depending on who shows up. And now there are no agendas to these. You just come in and ask your questions or whatever. So, but now I'm going to do a screen share and show you those who may not be familiar with the Discord, the user-to-user Discord. This is what it looks like. Let me go up here and share this, and we're going to share this. And that is what it looks like. If you've been here before, you'll notice some changes. I've added a great many different channels to split things out so you can get only the content you want. You don't have to be flooded with a lot of stuff you don't want. I've added the suggestion and feedback channel. If you have any suggestions for improvements on the Discord, please let us know how we can do a better job of helping you get what you need. I've also split out the Zoom area. This has links to their latest meeting training, latest webinar training, and then their monthly Ask Me Anything session. I have a full list of the Google Product Help forums. Then we have the member areas where you have future events, live now events, and past events. If you are holding an online event, you're free to post in there. If you've got a blog, give us a blog link so we may want to follow it. Do you broadcast on Twitch? We've got a place for that too. Put that in, and we will also publicize your Twitch sessions as well as your YouTube sessions. The rank and file, that's from memes and just fun stuff. And of course, the introduction thing. We also have voice channels where you can actually talk instead of just typing. Be glad to go over any questions you may have about any of this stuff. But I wanted to get this out, get this up on YouTube because it is only a couple of days till Google Plus goes away. And for anybody that didn't have the link, I want to have a permanent place. The link to the Discord will henceforth be included in all of my videos, so there'll always be a way to get to it. And basically, that's it. I just wanted to give you an update about where things are going. And remember, Tuesday, 3 Plus goes away, at least on the consumer side. I'm going to stop the screen share now. And we're back. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, you can always get in touch with me at my email address, my Facebook. I'm on Facebook, but not much. That's mostly family, but I can be contacted there. And of course, the new User to User Discord, our new home on the internet. Thanks for watching.